Welcome again. Okay, so here we're going to look at what you need before getting started, okay, when you come to building your online business, building your landing page. So before getting started building your landing page, you'll need a number of things too, okay. Make your offer actually have a point. So you need an offer and to facilitate the creation of your landing page. Your offer is going to determine how you're going to create your landing page, either through ClickFunnel lead page. Okay, I'll put the link below if you want to go to starting in ClickFunnel or whatever plugin you have in your website if you install. Okay, if you don't, let me know, I will help you out. Okay, one thing you absolutely must have before you get started is an autoresponder. Without any autoresponder, you are tossing potential bags of money in the garbage, you guys. Rather than creating a relationship with your customer and potential customer and giving yourself opportunity to attempt future upsell, you allow them to leave and never return. So without any autoresponder, that is what is going to happen. So autoresponder like Aweber, I've been experienced to use both of them, However, and GetResponse. That's why I always recommend you go with this tool. Okay, otherwise if you have a capital there, then you can go with other or self-hosted. But if you're starting, this is what you absolutely need. Okay, However, and GetResponse, all the tutorial are in below. Okay, that's how cool it is. And also the link for you to sign up, the tutorial of Aweber, to set up everything from sign up to set up your email listing. Okay, it's everything down there. So in addition to an autoresponder, you will need to have an actual offer that people want to buy. You may want to either to develop a product such as an ebook, a piece of software, or a video training, whatever it is. So you need to have an actual product that people buy. Okay, if you don't have the skill to either, you can always hire a professional to do it for you through ls.com, Fiverr for $5. You can go to fiverr.com, upwork.com, or guru.com. All those are freelancer sites which you can get in people to just in creating a cool giveaway or a product or even a software if you wish. Okay, it's all about your budget or whatever. But if you want, you can start with Fiverr, which is very cheap to get in a cool ebook for your startup. Okay, you will then either want to sell in this product and attempt to get subscriber from your thank you page, or you'll want to get subscriber by offering the product for free. So the ebook, you can give it out for free, which is what many internet marketers now do. So they give it out for free in order for them to put them in the email listing through Aweber or GetResponse. Okay, and then they can follow up with them with other offer or other upsells. Okay, another thing is need to join an affiliate network. Okay, you may want to consider JVZoo or Warrior Plus and ClickBank, or even you can go with Amazon affiliate program. Okay, associate program, you can join them. All of this network to join is free, and you can join as an affiliate marketer or even as a product creator. We call them vendors. So down below you can go to jvzoo.com, warriorplus.com. all of this somehow they involved in make money online niche. Okay, when you go to Warrior Plus, ClickBank is involved with all type of the way development product, healthy product, survival product, and make money product also in there. JVZoo almost is the same as Warrior Plus. Okay, almost all of them they involved in making money. So if you want to go specifically, so choose one and then go with that network. If they are not any type of offer for you to starting out, then you can just leave it and go to another network. Okay, another thing you absolutely must have before getting started is checkout service. You may want to consider either PayPal, ClickBank, Stripe, or to checkout. Okay, all of these services will allow you to make a transaction quickly. Also, you can go into this network. They allow even to pay you through either bank. Okay, if you have a Pioneer, you can just go and join. You can go and get your own visual bank. Okay, which is also pretty good. You can connect in with your Warrior Plus So you're going to get paid through Warrior Plus to your bank through Pioneer, and also on the Vizu through Pioneer when you reach a certain minimum. Okay, that's how cool all of this is, guys, and that's all what you need to getting started, okay, in order for you to building your landing page. So guys, thank you so much, and see you when you see me.